Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting second chapter of class 8 CBSE textbook, linear equations in one variable. So what is a linear equation in one variable? We call an equation a linear equation only if the highest power of the variable in the equation is 1. For example, x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is an linear equation because the variable in this equation is x and the highest power of that x is 1. Okay. Now let's quickly move into exercise 1.1. Solve the following equations. The first equation is x minus 2 is equal to 7. So what is the solution of this linear equation? What is a solution of a linear equation? A solution of a linear equation is that which satisfies the given condition. See, if we take x is equal to 2. For example, okay, 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. But here the condition is x minus 2 is equal to 7. X minus 2 should be equal to 7. But if we take x, 2 minus 2 is 0 and the value of the equation is 0. So 2 is not the solution of the given equation. X minus 2 is equal to 7. So a solution of a linear equation is the one which satisfies the given equation. The solution of the linear equation is the one in which the value of LHS is equal to value of RHS. Okay. Here if we take the value of LHS is equal to value of RHS. In case of x is equal to 2, the value of LHS is 2 minus 2, that is 0. And the value of RHS is 7. So x is equal to 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Okay. So let's quickly see how to find the solution of this given equation. X minus 2 is equal to 7. So let's transpose this minus 2 to RHS. And if it is transposed to RHS, it will become plus 2. So x is equal to 7 plus 2. That implies x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 is our solution for x minus 2 is equal to 7. We can check this. We can check if the answer we got is correct or not. X is equal to 9. Let's substitute the x is equal to 9 in x minus 2 is equal to 7. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. LHS and RHS. In LHS, 9 minus 2 is 7. In RHS, the value is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So the solution for x minus 2 is equal to 7 is x is equal to 9, and this is correct. We can check like this. Okay. Let's see second bit. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. We have to find the value of y such that that satisfies the given condition. We have to find the value of y such that the value of LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Let's transpose this 3. Let's transpose this 3 to RHS. Here 3 has plus sign, so it will become minus here. So y is equal to 10 minus 3 and our answer is y is equal to 7. Our third equation is 6 is equal to z plus 2. In this equation the variable is z and we have 6 in LHS and z plus 2 in RHS. It doesn't matter if variable is in RHS or LHS. Only the thing is we have to find the value of the variable such that the value of RHS is equal to value of LHS or value of LHS is equal to value of RHS, and the same question can be written as z plus 2 is equal to 6. Both are same. Okay. Now let's transpose this 2 to RHS. Then z is equal to 6 minus 2. Here 2 is plus and it will become minus 2 here. And 6 minus 2 is 4. The value of z is 4. The fourth bit is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. So to find the value of x, we have to transpose this 3 by 7 to RHS. Here it is plus, so it will become minus if it is transposed to RHS. So x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. LCM is 7. 17 minus 3 is equal to 14 by 7. That is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. For every equation we can check, we can substitute the value of x in the given equation and we can check if the value of LHS and the value of RHS are equal or not. Let's see fifth bit. 6x is equal to 12. Here we have to find the value of x. Here 6 is multiplying x. So 6 into x. We can write this as 6 into x, multiplication. 6 into x is equal to 12. To find the value of x, we can divide LHS and RHS by 6. We can perform same operation on LHS and RHS. For example, if we are dividing LHS 6 into x by 6, then we have to divide RHS also with 6. So we should not perform like any operation like division or addition on only one side of the equation. We have to do it on both the sides to balance its effect, right? To balance the equation. So 6 into x by 6 is equal to 12 by 6. We have to perform any operation like division, like here we are dividing with 6. We have to perform these kind of operations on both sides, LHS and RHS, so as to balance the equation. Here we are dividing LHS and RHS with 6. So our LHS is x now and our RHS is 2. The value of x is 2.